Azeron Cyborg. The Azeron Cyborg is the perfect gadget for serious PC gamers who want more control, speed, and comfort while playing. With 29 customizable keys and a built-in analog thumbstick, it gives you quick access to all your game commands right at your fingertips. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters, strategy games, or massive online multiplayer battles, the Cyborg is designed to help you perform better. It has an ergonomic shape that fits your hand perfectly, so you can play for hours without feeling tired. Made using 3D printing, it's strong, long-lasting, and easy to repair if needed. You can fully personalize the keys, save different game profiles, and switch between them whenever you want. This means you're always ready, no matter what game you're playing. The Cyborg isn't just a keypad, it's a powerful tool that lets you play smarter and faster. The Bruker HI-90 is a high-tech camera system that can detect invisible gas clouds from far away, up to several kilometers, quickly and safely. It uses special sensors and infrared technology to see gases in the air that we can't see with our eyes. By capturing detailed information from each pixel and comparing it to a huge library of gas signatures, it can accurately identify what type of gas is present. One of the best things about the HI-90 is that it doesn't need any special lighting or reflectors to work. It's completely passive, meaning it can be used in many different situations like industrial sites, emergency response, environmental monitoring, or even defense. Despite its powerful capabilities, it works fast. It can analyze over 16,000 different gas samples in less than 3 seconds. This makes it a valuable tool for quickly spotting dangerous gases and reacting before harm is done. The eFoldy Lite is one of the lightest and most travel-friendly mobility scooters in the world, weighing just 33 pounds without its battery. Don't let the lightweight design fool you. It's built with a strong magnesium alloy frame that can support up to 265 pounds. This makes it perfect for users who want something easy to carry but still sturdy and reliable. One of its best features is how quickly it folds and unfolds, letting you pack it into a car, take it on a bus, or store it in small spaces with no hassle. It's designed for people who are always on the move and don't want to feel limited by heavy equipment. The eFoldy Lite also gives you a smooth and comfortable ride, thanks to its air-filled tires, a low center of gravity for better balance, and a floating seat suspension that helps absorb bumps on the road. Whether you're running errands, going on vacation, or just enjoying the outdoors, this scooter makes life easier and more independent. Electronics-free robot. Diego is a one-of-a-kind robot that works without any electronics, no motors, no batteries, and no circuits. It's fully 3D printed in a single piece and powered by compressed air. Inside Diego are smart air channels that control how it moves, almost like a mechanical brain. Inspired by the way turtles walk, Diego can move across sand, grass, and even underwater. What's really impressive is that it can automatically adjust its movement if it runs into obstacles or rough terrain. That makes it super useful in hard-to-reach places. Even better, it costs less than $20 to make. Because it doesn't rely on electronics, Diego can work in extreme environments where normal robots would stop working, like disaster zones, deep underground, or places with high radiation. Diego proves that you don't always need high-tech gadgets to solve complex problems. Sometimes, smart design and simplicity are the best tools. Fen Super. The Fen Super is a foldable, smart helmet designed for safety, style, and everyday convenience. Its standout feature is the Smart Fold technology, which lets the helmet collapse to half its size, perfect for slipping into your backpack or suitcase without hassle. Despite its compact form, it meets strict US CPSC and European EN 1078 safety standards, making it ideal for e-scooter riders, cyclists, and skateboarders moving under 20 miles per hour. The outer shell is made from tough ABS plastic, while the inner EPS foam absorbs shocks to protect your head during impact. What makes the Fen Super even cooler is its built-in lighting system. It comes with detachable front and rear lights that shine up to 800 meters away. These ultra-bright 30-lumen lights are USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, IPX6, and offer 3 modes: steady, pulse, and flash. GAN EV Solar Charger. The GAN EV Solar Charger is a clever and eco-friendly way for electric vehicle owners to charge their cars using sunlight. This foldable charger is lightweight and easy to carry, and when opened and placed on your car's roof, it can generate up to 1,200 watts of power. On a sunny day, it can add up to 30 extra miles to your EV's range, just while you're parked. Its tough and aerodynamic design can handle wind speeds of up to 30 miles per hour when unfolded, and up to 100 miles per hour when folded and you're on the move. It's more than just a car charger, too. You can use its AC, DC, and USB ports to charge your phone, laptop, or other devices in an emergency. Installation and removal are quick and simple, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. Not only does it help reduce your carbon footprint, but it could also save you money through tax credits or rebates in some areas. Gun LCAT. The Gun LCAT is an innovative and eco-friendly inflatable catamaran designed for anyone who loves smooth, silent rides on the water. Powered by a 1.3 kilowatt electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack of the same capacity, this smart boat produces zero emissions, making it perfect for clean and green adventures. It also offers an optional solar charging kit, so you can recharge the battery using the sun. No external power source needed. Easy to set up, one person can fully inflate and assemble the LCAT in just 15 to 20 minutes. Once ready, it can travel up to 25 miles on a single charge, cruising at 3 miles per hour and reaching a top speed of 6 miles per hour. Despite its lightweight design, it's strong and versatile, ideal for all kinds of aquatic activities like leisure cruising, fishing, or simply exploring calm lakes and rivers. The Halfbike 2 is a fun, compact, and head-turning ride that lets you move through the city in a completely new way. Unlike regular bikes, you ride it standing up, which gives you a better view of your surroundings and a more active experience. Its strong yet lightweight frame is made from aerospace-grade aluminum, making it durable and easy to carry at just 8.5 kilograms. With a 3-speed internal hub from the legendary Sturmey Archer and Tecro U-brakes, it gives you smooth control and solid stopping power. The handlebar is crafted from water-resistant beech plywood, offering a natural grip and stylish look. Built for everyday riders, it can support up to 95 kilograms and is great for commuting, workouts, or just having fun outdoors. It's small enough to take on public transport or store in tight spaces, making it ideal for modern city life. Whether you're cruising to work or exploring your neighborhood, the Halfbike 2 turns heads and turns travel into an experience. Loona Petbot is a lovable little robot that feels more like a pet than a machine. With big expressive eyes, a playful attitude, and smooth movement on 4 wheels, Loona is designed to be your smart, fun companion at home. It can recognize your face, understand your voice, respond to hand gestures, and even play games, all thanks to its advanced 3D and RGB cameras. What makes Loona truly special is the powerful technology inside. It runs on a fast quad-core processor and a smart AI engine, letting it interact with you in a natural, lifelike way. With ChatGPT built in, Loona can even chat, answer questions, and respond thoughtfully to what you say. It's not just fun. Loona can also teach kids basic coding and explore the house like a curious pet. Whether it's playing fetch, keeping you company, or helping kids learn through fun, Loona is more than a gadget. It's a friendly little buddy. Mercedes Imperion 2030. The Mercedes Imperion 2030 is a next-generation concept car that combines futuristic design, high performance, and eco-friendly technology. Powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, it produces zero harmful emissions, just clean water vapor. You can refill it in just a few minutes, and thanks to its solar roof, it saves even more energy. This smart car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.5 seconds and has an impressive range of over 1,000 kilometers. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is matched with a spacious and comfortable interior designed for a smooth and personalized drive. The Imperion 2030 also adapts to your mood, preferences, and surroundings to make every trip unique. Inside, you'll find futuristic features like a holographic display, voice and gesture controls, and an intelligent assistant that learns how you drive. It's a car built for the future, smart, fast, and kind to the planet.